Are you looking for a simple and trusted crypto wallet to buy, store, and manage your digital assets? Today, we're talking about the Blockchain Wallet app and whether it's actually worth using or not. Blockchain Wallet is a popular crypto wallet that allows you to store, send, receive, and even buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other major coins. It's designed to make crypto access easy for beginners while still offering essential features. Talking about features, Blockchain Wallet lets you securely manage your crypto with built-in options to buy and sell directly from the app. It also supports sending and receiving funds quickly and includes basic security features like backup and recovery options. Some versions also provide interest-earning features on selected assets. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Everything is simple to understand, so even if you're new to crypto, you can get started without confusion. Now let's quickly see how to use it. First, download the Blockchain Wallet app, then sign up and create your wallet. Complete the verification if required, and make sure to back up your recovery phrase safely. After that, you can add funds, buy crypto, and start using the wallet. A quick disclaimer, while Blockchain Wallet is easy to use, crypto investments always involve risk. Also, make sure to keep your recovery details safe, because losing them can result in loss of access to your funds. Now the big question, is it worth it? If you're a beginner looking for a simple and trusted wallet to buy and manage major cryptocurrencies, then Blockchain Wallet is a good option. However, if you need support for many altcoins or advanced Web3 features, you might find it limited. Overall, Blockchain Wallet is a reliable and easy-to-use app for getting started with crypto. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more app reviews. And let me know in the comments which app you want me to review next.